What is Whai Rawa? Whai Rawa means to me a head start, whether that be through home ownership or through education or in the long run for retirement.
I'm definitely sure that I'm going to be attending university when I finish school, and I'm 100% sure that my Whai Rawa account will tautoko and support me in whatever career path I choose.
I've just started my university education, and having my Whai Rawa account there really helps reduce the stress about the cost of my education.
Whai Rawa means that my tamariki won't have the same financial burden as we had, so saving for their education and if they choose to buy their first home.
Whai Rawa is definitely going to contribute for home ownership for me. I've got an automatic payment I set up myself, so I just contribute money to that every fortnight. Pretty much comes out of my pay, so I don't spend it. So that's a good way that works for me.
Whai Rawa means to me a saving scheme and to help me get into the housing market and buy my first home, hopefully.
I'm looking forward to my retirement because I've got a Whai Rawa account and that opportunity to be able to utilise that money to help support my lifestyle.
Whai Rawa was just a really nice fit into, I guess, a better future.
It's all about that freedom piece, so that I know that my money can be doing its thing over time, compounding and growing, and it's really about affording me more time in the future.
At its core, there are things in terms of the way in which Whai Rawa funds are used. That means that nothing's going to sort of come up that conflicts with my values. Nā te iwi, mā te iwi, kia ora ai te iwi. Created by the iwi, for the iwi, so the iwi will thrive.
Whai Rawa is my future. Whai Rawa is your future. Me eke mai te waka whānau.